Okay, so it's unboxing day here at Wilson Audio Lab / Old School Stereo. We have a package here. I think it's off of eBay. Something I bought. What could it be? Man, this looks like good stuff right here. You guys are gonna be jealous. What? American HiFi 3-way. Oh, hold on. Don't get too excited. Let's get all this out of the way so you can see this goodness. Up close and personal with the American HiFi 3-way speaker system. New deluxe model for what? It's the RX-860. List price $199. 150 watts maximum per channel, 300 watts per pair, 60-ounce magnet. Yeah, I don't know if I believe that.
If they're just plain out lying to you.
It is a polypropylene system. 2 3-way mini box speaker systems. Each contains 4-inch, 30-ounce long excursion woofer with high temperature voice coil, super 2-inch wide dispersion cone tweeter with high temperature voice coil, and super 1-inch dome tweeter. Frequency response, there is no S in there, 50 to 22,000 hertz, 4 ohms. Oh man, this is just too good. We got to open it and see what's in here. Are you excited about this? Oh man, look at that. It's probably 40-year-old mold here inside this. Look at that. Doesn't smell horribly bad. We got some mounting hardware apparently. Some more stuff. And, oh man, these things are super lightweight. Super lightweight. Nothing here to them. Let's pull both of them out. I don't see an owner's manual in here, unfortunately. Oh my gosh. The speaker wires are like stuck to the inside. Look how tiny those speaker wires are. It's like 22 gauge or something. But there's no owner's manual. Let me try to get it out. Let's see. Nope. No owner's manual. It's funny it says 22-ounce magnet because I can tell you this whole thing right here doesn't even weigh 22 ounces. Super lightweight. Oh man, this is some quality speaker components right here. Oh yeah, look at that big old scratch. These things were sold as like new old stock. I think somebody repackaged these jokers. Let's see if this one's actually got a, oh yeah. This one's got a power meter on it. Not sure if that works or not. Here you can see on the back, just have the push terminals for the speakers. There's that massive 4-inch woofer. That says 2-inch, it's more like 1.5 inches, and there's a super tweeter in there. It's all plastic enclosure. Super duper lightweight. You could toss these anywhere. So, that's a shame. That's junkier than I thought they would be. It's got the mounting brackets, of course. And these hold on the mounting brackets, it looks like. And there is our hardware. And here is our massive, not even sure, 24 gauge or so speaker wire. It is so small, I'm not even sure there's 1 or 2 strands in there. Well, there you have it. The American HiFi. Again, that one's missing the little logo there, unfortunately. This one's got it. See the power meter? I wonder if that lights up when we plug it in. You know we got to try this and see how these things sound, but I guarantee they sound like junk. But let's do it. Here we have these American HiFi RX-860s hooked up to this little tube amplifier by Duke Audio. And let's try it out. I don't have much expectations for sound, so let's try song. Here we go. You guys haven't heard that song much before, so let's try Smoke Jacket Blues. Yeah, I'm afraid it's pretty bad. Let's try Smokey's Lounge. How about some vocals? Ice and Fire.
Baby, you got me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna get you, baby. Treat myself back to spine.
I'm gonna guess that you guys are like me, saw these 4 screws here and decided, hey, we need to find out what's inside this thing. So let's take it apart, see how junky these speakers are, because I bet they're gonna be junky. All right, here's the exciting part. Are you ready? See these huge speakers? Whoa, look at that 60-ounce magnet.
Got him!
Yeah, right. Such crappy build quality. I knew it was a tiny speaker, tiny magnet on that joker. And look, I don't even think that's a speaker at all, because I don't see the wires going to it. The wires look like they're only going to this one. Oh, maybe it's underneath the bottom. But either way, yeah, that is absolute crap. During the editing process, I had to go back because I noticed here there are no mids and high speakers here. It's only the 4-inch. Now, what I noticed in the video that I mentioned was the wires here on the right, what they're going to is the LED meter. There's a little resistor. That's it. So it's only a 4-inch driver here, which sounds horrible. Also, since these were most likely flea market speakers, I could not find any details about them, about the year they were made, anything like that, but probably somewhere in the mid-1980s, maybe late 1980s. But yeah, somebody who upgraded these upgraded to trash. Well, my friends, there you have the American HiFi 3-way speaker system with the 10 LED power level meter, which is really only like, I guess it's 5 per speaker. Yeah, this thing was supposed to be brand new in box. It looks like they probably had been opened before, but super lightweight, you know, $199, right. These were, I don't know, either flea market or sold at an auto parts store or something like that back in the day, probably for about $49.99 or so, thinking that you got a really good deal, but these are horrible. But I hope you guys like when I find this old stuff that's new, just checking it out and seeing what it's all about, because I kind of dig it. And yeah, stay tuned. I'll show you something old again pretty soon, and it'll be new to you and new to me, and we'll find out what it's all about. So until next time, this is Big D. I'm out.